Hello guys, it's YT, and today we'll be teaching you guys how to make a keycard door. So I'll have a free model of this in the description. It's a free model of the parts, not the actual script. So let's get started. But before we start, just make sure you subscribe. If you do, it'll help me a lot. And when you like the video, and when you comment, it helps me, it suggests ideas, and yeah. So let's begin. First, we gotta make a key card. So let's get a tool. Name it keycard. And then inside here, you want to insert a part. But in order for it to, it has to be called handle. So a handle is like when they can hold it and stuff like that. If you don't have handle, it won't work. If you don't name this handle, it won't work. Alright, next, change it to whatever you want it to look. I'm just gonna make it look like sand. Sand, boom. Looks like sand, not a key card, but it'll do. I'm just gonna size it down. Okay. Now we put it back in the tools, a starter pack. So the starter pack, it just starts out with it. Alright, now we can script in the detector. Okay, so first let's make some variables. Local PA equals script.parent. Local door equals script.parent. Parent door, and then local. Okay, I think that's it. All right, now let's do a function. So local function on touch. Parameter is just gonna be hit. And then you drop down. Hit is gonna be the parameter. Alright. And let's see. Also, you want to add pa.touch connect on touch. Wait, so it's gonna connect the function whenever it got touched. So connect on touch. On touch. Look. You know what? I'm just gonna make the function just connect to it. So instead of doing that, we're gonna do something else. Okay. So pa dot touched connect function. It do the exact same thing. Alright, that's a bit different. So whenever it touches it, we're gonna have to find out the name. So make sure you keep in mind of your keycard name. Alright, if it dot name equals let's see, it's called keycard, right? So enter the name of your keycard. Then alright, next print a keycard. In quotation marks, a keycard. Next, we're gonna do, let's see. So we want the door to open and then close after a while. So script, actually not, pa parent. So parent again, and then door dot parent. I think it's parent again. Okay, so or I can just do this. So game dot workspace dot door. Game dot workspace dot door dot. Let's see. So first, we're gonna make it can collide to let's see, off. Can collide equals false. Also, you can add this so the function won't run multiple times. Local can hit. Oh wait, I spelled local wrong. Okay. Okay, next, can collide is false. Can hit equals true. Game.workspace.door can collide. Okay, game.works. Okay, you just want to copy this thing and then do that again. Okay, but this time it's going to be transparency. Equals 0.5 or 0.5. 0.5 is short for 0.5. You can put 0. And then wait. So let's see how long we can wait. Let's say 2 seconds, and then it will close. 1.9. Then can hit equals false. Okay, then you want to copy this. Okay, but this time it's going to be 0 and the can collide is true. Alright, I think it's done, so let's test it, I guess. I think it might not work, I'm not sure, but we'll test it. Okay, now we have our keycard here. It looks like a bag of sand. Okay, I think it's just not detecting it. Hold up. Keycard equals keycard. Hold up. I'm gonna cut that out. I'm gonna cut the video out. I'm just gonna see what the issue is. Okay guys, I'm back. So hit.name, it's not actually hit.name, it's hit.parent.name, because I think that was why. So let's test it again. I'm sorry about that. Alright, let's test it out now. Okay, it works. As you can see, the keycard door actually works, which is actually surprising. You can change the door up if you want, but so when it touches the keycard, you can go straight through, but then you can't go back in. Also, like, you can't set it off multiple times. That's a great part. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below what you want me to upload. I'm going to upload the core video next. And yeah, peace.